Hello everybody. Today I'm actually having to photo shoot, but I have to do some cleaning first. And to be honest, it is just a big mess right here. So I'm gonna have to like clean up, but I'm not sure if this is how I'm gonna do my photo shoot or not because the lighting is kind of weird. So we will just see how it goes. And then I'm also going to share some of my painting that I've been doing. I did my whole spreadsheet for October in my planner that I'm going to kind of share with you. So thanks for being here and I'll check in later. Okay, so my photo shooting did not go the way I wanted to, so I actually ended up not filming what I ended up doing. I ended up using a light box and the pictures looked so much better in the light box versus what I was trying to do in front of the window. I will share a picture of what that looks like here somewhere. I'm not sure, but I'm still learning how to do some of this editing stuff. Or I'll show you a picture of the videos that I did on my phone. But I just was not happy with it. And so, yeah, I just was not happy how the pictures were looking. It was just too bright, the light. The lighting, because the plastic is shiny. The plastic is shiny, and because it's shiny, it reflected the light too much and you couldn't see the glitter and the actual paint that was on it. So I thought the photo box was much better. Let's continue the rest of our day.
I just wanted to conclude and tell you thank you very much for watching this vlog with me and watching this process. I appreciate every single one of you, and thanks for hanging out with me.